I'm really bad at programming, and I want to change this with some experience. So I thought I coded some bad Minecraft plugins back in the days, so why not program a complete economy/city build/whatever server from scratch? The only rule is that I can't use some off-the-shelf plugins. Only one plugin that I coded myself. So I guess, let's start. First I create a new server for this project. So now the server is started. So let's test the server. It seems to work. Now I create a new intelij project. I call this Back to Craft server plugin because this is a server I had back in the days. So I guess something good to start is a spawn plugin. Just a plugin where you can execute command/spawn and you're teleported to the spawn. And every new player joining the server should teleport it there as well. So now, first, build a spawn. Yes, I know, I searched the perfect location for my spawn. So first I create a command package. Then I create a spawn command and implement the command executor. Now I register the /spawn command. So to test if the plugin works, I just sent a message to the sender that he executed the command. And of course I had to register it in the plugin.yml. And now build it and start the server. So it seems the plugin works. So now I implemented the /spawn function. You can go to the spawn with the /spawn command. This even works if a new player joins the server. He gets directly teleported to the spawn. But now I defined the spawn location as a hard code and I want to add the command /setspawn. So I've now implemented the /setspawn function. Now I can go to some random location and type /setspawn. The spawn location is set. And even if a person gets killed and has no bed, he will be teleported near spawn. The next thing I will implement is to teleport every player directly to the spawn location if he has no bed or other spawn. So I just implemented that feature. So if the player restarts and has no bed, he respawns on the spawn. You see now I have a debug message, I have no bed now, and if I kill myself, I spawn at the spawn location. But if I have a bed, I spawn at my bed. So I think the last cool feature the server would need in the future is some sort of database or a file that stores every user's UUID, username, join date, and such stuff. So I think I will save this user data in another YAML file. So I create a new file. Meanwhile, I just take a config file and later maybe I change this to a database or something. So there's a new config file. So now if a player joins and has never joined before, I take this user and dump it into the database. So now I've got username and UUID, but I can't remember how to get a Unix timestamp in Java. So this timestamp should be right. Perfect. So this should be everything for now. And restart the server. Delete the player data. So let's join. So there's 3 users. And it worked.